ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
What do you say? Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. Rasta, Rasta, Rasta. IK is in the building.
Yeah, man.
That's right. Let's get into this.
Rasta mouse and scratchy and Zuma.
J-Lo debacle.
Exactly. With Miss J-Lo, I have some beef to pick with you.
That's right.
I hear you're speaking to your kids about the definition of love. IK's definition of love is hit it once and break away clean. Because after IK, there'll be nothing left for you but death. And I don't mean that in a bad way, J-Lo. And for Scott Disick, we see you were giving out the kitty watches, the kitty Rolex over at your barbecue, making some food at your house.
Exactly.
Hit you with the unity ring. Knock some sense into your forehead.
Right in the middle of your forehead.
Leave IK right in your forehead. And that goes for you too, Tom Cruise, Longneck, Maurice Green. There's so many suckers in Hollywood, we can't even name all of them.
That's right, Scott Disick. But you know what we have to say? Oh, you know what I have to say? If there's no more sense left, when IK knocks the sense into you, you'll probably might just black out. Let's get into these hot topics.
Our first hot topic is with Kanye West meets up with Irina Shayk in France
for his birthday. Yes, we actually saw all the photos for this. He was seen on a security camera going through the gates, walking through all of Paris, Paris for his birthday. And all I want to say is, Kanye, get yours, because you know what we saw this morning? I saw Kim sitting on the couch. She wore this really nice white dress, sitting with a white guy, but he looked shredded, face looked good, and she was trying to flirt around with him. So maybe you guys are going back and forth with each other,
Kanye,
and I'd like to see it.
You're gonna have to step your game up, Kanye. Because who knows? She might even go for this other guy. But if it does end up working out,
she won't go for it. She loves the chocolate.
You're right, Dr. Ross. I forgot about that.
I hate to see it.
Let's get into our next hot topic for today with Billie Eilish is in the hot water after showing off cleavage in her latest music video.
Oh yes, so people were mad because usually she wears the oversized clothing, but you know, I'm not hating on this. You know, some girls, they want to go out and they want to be scandalous and they want to let their inner vixen let loose, and I'm not hating on that. That's the entertainment industry.
Exactly. I don't hate on it at all, Dr. Ross, but they're saying in the reports that a lot of tend to sugar pie. They're all thinking that it's very bad because she was most likely batting for the other side from what they thought.
What I want to say though is I feel like they're wrong for this only because she was evolving from a kid when she was wearing all the baggy clothes. She was 15, 16, 17, 18, and then now she's 19 and 20. She's trying to evolve into the scandalous vixen of an adult that she's going into the next level. So that's not anything, but let's get into the next hot topic.
Meghan and Harry made a legal threat over the name of Lil Bet. And if you don't know who the name of Lil Bet is...
It's the Queen's nickname when she was young because she couldn't pronounce her name.
And so Prince Harry and Meghan are trying to name their new daughter Lil Bet.
And the Queen said, don't name your daughter Lil Bet because we will come for you. So... I don't know, you know, it's not that much of an issue over a name, but...
But the only reason why they're saying that they do not want to have someone in the prince, or in the castle, being called Princess Lilbet.
To slap the shit out you, nigga! Saying that stupid ass shit. Dumbass nigga.
And Dr. Ross, I'm having a bit of trouble talking about little bit. Had to throw myself off right there. I'll break bread with you once we get back into London. That's for you, Queen.
Crumpets and tea.
Exactly. Be over there like Future, whatever his name was. So let's get into our next hot topic.
I want to mention for our next hot topic how Jay-Z, Jay's Dizzle, whatever his name is. So Jay-Z was in the news. He was beefing with Mariah Carey, and Mariah Carey recently left Rock Nation to follow where her manager is going to a different label.
Now, a lot of people are actually speculating, like Wendy Williams. She is saying that most likely this could be caused by them getting in an argument because maybe Mariah Carey was a loudmouth and said something about Beyonce. Maybe she wanted more money. I'm gonna go ahead and say it was the money part.
Hey, the line, Bart!
Yeah! And to add on, I've heard Mariah Carey was money hungry, scandalous, and ruthless. Be gone, Mariah. Poof. Poof.
Exactly.
But for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. I'll see you in LA. And I'm not. Before you identify the male caller who's been calling, IK is not a stalker. I'm international king.
That's right.
And I'd love to go out to Beverly Hills, invite you to brunch, lunch, or dinner.
Do it better than the Travis Blind Scott is doing. He does not know where he's at. Half the time he's staring out the window at the wall. We don't know what he's looking at, but it's probably the bodyguards that Kylie has. So
Travis Scott, you're another one. You're another one. I need to knock some sense into you with the Unity ring. Split your head down to the meat. And we're not sending a death threat. But Travis Scott, right now you look like the past.
he won't know where it's coming anywhere. Let's
Very
get
blind
to
mice over there. But let's get into our final hot topic for today. With people are saying Jessie J's booty is looking so damn toned.
She goes to the gym and she's working out. When does Jessie J not look good is my question. When?
I gotta take the words from Too Short. Her booty was bigger than a tail on a whale. Hit it once, break away clean. And Channing Tatum, you're missing out. She might even have to be our winner for the next She's Hot contest.
Put your votes in, and put your votes in for
Exactly,
the next She's Hot contest.
because the She's Hot contest is coming up this week and it'll be here this Friday. So stay tuned for that. And I know we were saying that's our final hot topic, but I want to get into one really, really quick hot topic.
Okay.
Our final one is going to be with Meet the Blacks 2. Now, Dr. Ross and I, we're going to be watching
seeing that
this.
tomorrow because I want to see the part when DaBaby comes in. You know, there's all the rumors how he's been beating people up. I want to see the part when he gets sucked out the car and slammed into the ground.
They killed DaBaby the first second he was on the screen.
He was
Listen
there
to the
for
clip
5
right
seconds.
here.
Feeds on blood. You should kill him.
Everything is everything. We are Meet the Blacks.
We out. Kylie Jenner.